Hi, what's up everyone? In this video, we are going to talk about the top best power washer you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Cleaning our surroundings is a fundamental character of human beings. We don't clean only our body regularly, but also want to see our surroundings neat and clean. For such purposes, many companies produce cleaning appliances. One of them is a pressure washer. Pressure washer is an appliance that uses exhale water at such high pressure that can clean easily dirt from the surface. Water pressure comes within two types, one that runs on a gas and the other one on electricity. Both have their own pros and cons. So here we are bringing you the top 2 best water pressure that you can buy as per your need. This list is based on my personal opinion and researches and listed them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. And number 2. Sanjo SPX 3000. Sanjo SPX 3000 is a lightweight pressure washer that is strong against dirt and light on your wallet. Sanjo SPX 3000 comes with a removable detergent tank that make it easy to empty. Sanjo SPX 3000 has a long access. It comes with a 35 feet long power cord and it reach its further increase with a 20 feet horse and 35 small job. Pros of Sanjo SPX 3000: long cord with long hose and removable detergent tank. And number 1. Karcher K5. Karcher K5 is a pressure washer that can clean your patio, garden furniture, car and many more. It comes up with attachable component that requires some time to assemble, which may not be a good thing for some time-saver users. But it's a lightweight pressure washer, which means you can easily carry it along with you. Karcher K5 comes up with a 5-meter power cord and 8-meter long hose that can generate 145 bar pressure. Its pressure can easily be controlled through a digital display and a button on the handle. Pros of Karcher K5: comes with easy to use detergent, lightweight and easy to control. Cons of Karcher K5: need time to assemble. So guys, this was the video about the pressed power washer. All the links are given in the description below. Do check them out. If you really enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like today. Thank you so much.